Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change header and footer theme color on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can actually just scroll down. Then from in there, head over and click on this customize button under the online store or theme. So click on this one, and then this will open the Shopify editor. Now from this, what you can do is you can actually see a lot of things, like for example, the header right here, and when you scroll down, you should be able to see the footer. So if you click on the header, so for example, let's click on the header right here. As you can see, the header is color white. If you want to actually change what it will look like, you need to scroll down until you can see this color scheme. So for example, let's edit or change it. So for me, I want to turn it black. So I'll just click on the scheme port. Then as you can see, it's been changed. Now let's head back and then let's scroll down on this page. And now in here, just click on footer. Now on this footer, they also have this color scheme. So for this one, head over and click on change. Then let's also choose the scheme for. And as you can see, it has been changed as well. So our header and our footer are both color black. So from in there, head over and click on save right here in order to save your progress. Once you have done that, as you can see, it will save the progress of your header and footer from in there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.